Remember bulky computers and dial-up internet? Those were the days when the internet was a luxury, and the sound of a dial-up connection was music to our ears. We had to wait patiently for web pages to load, and multitasking meant having multiple windows open on a single screen. The technology was rudimentary, but it laid the foundation for the digital age we live in today. Technology has always been evolving. From the first personal computers to the smartphones we carry in our pockets, each leap has brought us closer to a more connected and efficient world. The evolution of gadgets over the decades is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. We've seen the transition from floppy disks to cloud storage, from landlines to mobile phones, and from simple calculators to powerful computers that fit in our hands. Today we stand on the precipice of another revolution. The advancements we are witnessing now are not just incremental improvements but transformative changes that will redefine our way of life. Imagine cities with holographic advertisements, flying cars zipping through the skies, and buildings that can adapt to the needs of their inhabitants. This is not science fiction, it's the future we're heading towards. The familiar landscape of traditional tech is shifting, making way for something new and extraordinary. The devices and systems we've grown accustomed to are being replaced by more advanced and intuitive technologies. This transition is not just about upgrading our gadgets, it's about reimagining how we interact with the world around us. The lines between the physical and digital realms are blurring, creating a seamless experience that enhances our daily lives. But is this the end of traditional technology as we know it? The answer is complex. While some aspects of traditional tech may become obsolete, others will evolve and integrate with new innovations. It's not a matter of old versus new, but rather a fusion of both to create a more advanced and efficient ecosystem. Traditional tech will not disappear, it will transform and adapt to meet the demands of the future. While some technologies might become obsolete, others will likely adapt and integrate with the future. For instance, the concept of a desktop computer may change, but the need for powerful computing will remain. We might see traditional devices being enhanced with new capabilities, making them more versatile and user-friendly. This blending of old and new will create a hybrid landscape where the best of both worlds coexist. This evolution is driven by incredible advancements in fields like artificial intelligence, wearable technology, and quantum computing. AI is revolutionizing industries by automating tasks and providing insights that were previously unimaginable. Wearable tech is making health monitoring and personal fitness more accessible and accurate. Quantum computing promises to solve complex problems that are beyond the reach of classical computers, opening up new possibilities in science, medicine, and beyond. These emerging technologies are not just upgrades, they represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with the digital world and each other. The way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves is being transformed by these innovations. Virtual reality is creating immersive experiences that transport us to different worlds, while augmented reality is enhancing our perception of the real world. Smart devices are making our homes more efficient and our lives more convenient. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with the digital world and each other. The integration of these technologies into our daily lives is creating a more connected and intelligent environment. Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs, where your home adjusts to your preferences, and where your interactions with technology are seamless and intuitive. This is the future we're building, one where technology enhances our human experience rather than complicates it. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the future of tech. The road ahead is filled with exciting possibilities and challenges. As we navigate this new landscape, we must embrace the changes and adapt to the new realities. The future of technology is not just about gadgets and devices, it's about creating a better world for all of us. So get ready to explore, innovate, and experience the wonders of the future. The adventure is just beginning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer science fiction. It has moved from the pages of novels and the screens of movies into our everyday reality. The advancements in AI technology have been rapid and transformative, making it an integral part of modern life. It's here, and it's changing everything. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is at the forefront of a technological revolution. This revolution is not just about making things faster or more efficient, it's about fundamentally altering the way we interact with the world around us. AI allows machines to learn from experience, adapt to new information, and perform tasks that previously required human intelligence. This process, known as machine learning, enables computers to improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. It's like giving machines the ability to think and learn on their own. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on streaming services, AI is already shaping our daily lives. These technologies are not just convenient, they are transforming the way we live. Self-driving cars promise to reduce accidents and make transportation more efficient, while personalized recommendations enhance our entertainment experiences by suggesting content tailored to our preferences. In the workplace, automation is streamlining processes and increasing efficiency. Robots and AI systems are taking over repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This shift is leading to increased productivity and innovation across various industries, but the impact of AI goes beyond convenience. It has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help us make better decisions, predict outcomes, and find solutions to problems that were previously unsolvable. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, and countless other fields. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and developing personalized treatment plans. In education, AI can provide personalized learning experiences that cater to each student's unique needs and learning style. Imagine AI-powered medical diagnoses that are faster and more accurate than ever before. These systems can analyze medical images, patient records, and genetic information to identify diseases at an early stage, improving the chances of successful treatment. AI can also help in drug discovery, speeding up the process of finding new medications and bringing them to market, or personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique needs. AI can analyze a student's performance and learning style to create customized lesson plans, helping them to learn more effectively. This technology can also provide real-time feedback and support, making education more accessible and engaging for everyone. Beyond healthcare and education, AI is making strides in environmental conservation and agriculture. AI-powered systems can monitor and analyze environmental data, helping us to better understand and protect our planet. In agriculture, AI can optimize crop yields, reduce waste, and improve food security by analyzing soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI also brings ethical considerations and challenges. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with respect for privacy, fairness, and transparency. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, we must address these issues to build a future where AI benefits everyone. The future of AI is full of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, AI will become even more integrated into our daily lives, driving innovation and creating new opportunities. By embracing AI and addressing its challenges, we can harness its potential to create a better, more efficient, and more equitable world for all. Remember the clunky cell phones of the past? Technology is shrinking and becoming more integrated into our lives. Wearable technology, like smartwatches and fitness trackers, is just the beginning. Get ready for augmented reality, AR headsets, that overlay digital information onto the real world. Imagine attending a virtual meeting while walking through the park or getting step-by-step cooking instructions projected onto your countertop. This technology has the potential to change how we work, learn, and play. It could even revolutionize industries like healthcare, where surgeons could use AR to visualize complex procedures during surgery. We live in a connected world, and that connection is about to get a whole lot faster. With the advent of 5G technology, we are on the brink of a new era in connectivity. 5G, the next generation of wireless technology, is set to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. Promising lightning-fast speeds and lower latency, 5G will transform our online experiences. This means less lag time and smoother streaming for all your favorite online activities. Whether you're watching high-definition videos, playing online games, or participating in video conferences, 5G will make it all more seamless and enjoyable. But 5G is about more than just faster internet. It's about creating a more connected and efficient world. It will enable the development of groundbreaking technologies like self-driving cars and smart cities. These innovations will rely on the high-speed, low-latency connections that 5G provides. Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly, with vehicles that can communicate with each other in real time. Thanks to interconnected vehicles that communicate with each other and the infrastructure around them, traffic jams could become a thing of the past. Smart traffic lights and sensors will adjust in real time to ensure the smooth flow of traffic, reducing congestion and improving safety. 5G is the foundation for a more connected future, one where the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. From smart homes to advanced healthcare, the potential applications of 5G are vast and varied. Imagine a world where your home appliances communicate with each other to optimize energy use, or where doctors can perform remote surgeries with precision thanks to real-time data transmission. The future of connectivity is bright, and 5G is leading the way. Virtual and augmented reality experiences will become more immersive and responsive, opening up new possibilities for entertainment, education, and professional training. In agriculture, 5G will enable smart farming techniques with drones and sensors providing real-time data to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. In healthcare, remote monitoring and telemedicine will become more effective, allowing for better patient care and more efficient use of resources. Industrial automation will reach new heights, with machines and robots communicating seamlessly to improve productivity and safety. Education will be transformed, with students accessing interactive and personalized learning experiences from anywhere in the world. The global connectivity that 5G offers will bring people closer together, fostering collaboration and innovation across borders. As we move into this new era of connectivity, the impact of 5G will be felt in every aspect of our lives. The future is here, and it's more connected than ever before. Embrace the possibilities and get ready for a world transformed by 5G technology. The journey has just begun and the future is full of promise.